So now I'm like, what is happening? So are they implying what Umseleku is supposed to sleep Domtanake in order to have Umtanake on behalf of Makhumalo? Like I was confused. Like it just didn't sound right to me. It not to mention it didn't even sound ethical. Like what was going on? Like Makhumalo is supposed to what? No ways. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, and so we've just seen the latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu, and you guys tell me what are your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this new episode and the new season? Anyway, so you guys, I want us to talk about a few things that happened on Uthando Nesthembu. Now we also saw Musamseleku ehleli Mpilo, like as if they are here to discuss something serious. And apparently, I was seeing the tabloids first. No, I didn't watch this episode before. Like I was on the internet and I didn't even know like it was premiering yesterday. I mean, it was on Wednesday. And then I was like, what is happening here? People are saying Makhumalo kumele azalelwe umntwana Mpilo. And I'm like, wait a second. I know there's something like that in the culture where like if a sister cannot, have children, her sister goes in her place and, gets pregnant and then takes that baby, gives it to the sister. Like, so this child will be considered her child. I think it was said that, was it? Umacele was supposed to give one of her children to Makhumalo, but Umacele refused. Yeah, I think I had something like that. And also it's common, like, you would say when a couple, back then when a couple couldn't conceive children, then they would have like relatives, it's part of the culture, like it's complicated, the African culture, like one big barbaric, but like, it's the culture after all. So now I'm like, what is happening? So are they implying what Umseleku is supposed to sleep Domtanake in order to have Umtanake on behalf of Makhumalo? Like I was confused. Like it just didn't sound right to me. It not to mention it didn't even sound ethical. Like what was going on? Like Makhumalo is supposed to what? No ways. Anyways, let's go on. Let's move on. Now, so I sat down and watched the episode carefully. So it's like Musamseleku asks for Mpilo to like have grandchildren. I still don't understand it, guys. So if anyone watched this episode, like please comment in the comment section. Try to explain what he actually meant. But it was being said Mpilo is supposed to have children, like to have grandchildren in order to save Makhumalo. I was really trying to wrap my head around it, but at least it was better than what I thought it was going to be, like Makhumalo being the one that is pregnant. I mean Mpilo being the one that is pregnant on behalf of Makhumalo. Like it was, I didn't even want to imagine it. Now that we've got that out clear, Mpilo is just feeling some type of way about this. Like she's talking about, okay, what about my life? It turns out Mpilo just changed his surname to Mseleku, and now a lot is about to happen. She's supposed to have that ceremony, welcoming ceremony, and now she's being asked to do all these tasks. Remember, Mpilo said she just wants to live her life. She just wants to live her life, okay, freely, without any. How is season 8 so far? Okay, I would like to. And of course, one more thing, don't forget to comment, comment, like, comment, and also subscribe.